Wagwan my viewers, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another brawling review. So Ramos bad breed, I say man a friend killer, and I send out message to blogger. Plus Skilly Ben get robbed and TJ and Wrizla drop on them face. Some people pre this.
Now come back here.
Yes, Daddy.
Your mother go work and she meet in an accident and she dead. Yeah?
Go watch his ears.
Hmm?
Go watch his ears.
Happy face. Sorry, you hear? Daddy look and care about you. Daddy not make nothing there, yeah? Here. Here, Riri. Come on, come, Daddy.
I. Go. Go watch this one.
Yeah, okay.
Wanna see them viewers, some people tell me what you think about that one, you know. Cause a lot of people out there have it for say, you know. Him should make sure know this yet, you know, but where him should I wait pan? Next week, next month, or next year for make him daughter know this. You have to remember, you know, he's a little baby, you know. I don't know, baby always attached to their mother, you know. So I don't feel like say she would have asked and want to know where her mother there and start cry for her mother. So as when I say my people, a video yeah one of the saddest video them I see in a long while, where a father feel look on him daughter and I make she know say, yo, mommy now come back home, you know. And me and your mother and father now, you know. And my people, see the little girl mother yeah, Rowana K, the woman will lose her life on the boulevard after the coaster bus slam up in her car and see it there, the woman 3 pints gone. That's why me always tell you, know, protect on the 3 pints a road. No one do a road. Cause look you know my people. You think that man alone can do it? Him alone can do it. Him gonna need help, me I tell you no my people. You hear that? Cause probably him have to go to work in the street a look it. To come feed him daughter and to take care of him daughter. So as I say my viewers, set away boy ya. And it look away boy ya. Worse all the situation there. If you know say look there now. Little girl motherless. I just her father alone in her life now though. My viewers, walk with me now. See me, Ramos bad breed. I send out message pan the media. I say blogger fi stop call up him name. And I say him never say no man fi go dopey Delhi. Delhi I him brother. My people, how was the review job so him see it? Him subscribe to On The Spot. My people, enough of them money we call themselves Dans and General. We always a burnout blogger. Them is a fan. Remember that me I tell you no my people. You hear that? Cause look pan this, you know, my viewers. I clear him a clear fame name, you know. And I take fame self out of this, you know. All if him did send the man them to go dopey Delhi. You think him a go come pan the media come admit that? You think him a go say yeah? No loyalty, no inner badness. And friend turn enemy regular. So wanna feel like say, him just a play a fool for catch wise as what me tell you no more people. You hear that? Cause if you are the general for the gang, where you tell me say, things are going in the gang where you don't know about, where you not approve about. So as what me say my people, Ramos bad breed. I say, him never say no man for Delhi. And I say blogger fi stop call up him name and go run him profile. Him never dopey wanna fee friend them yet. Which we know say that a big cap, me I tell you no more people. So here what? Walk with me again no more viewers. We see Skilly Ben, you know. I say him get robbed, you know. I say 100K out of jewelry them take from him at the normal manly international airport, you know my people. And look there. Everybody out there speculate right now and I say what kind of thing this Skilly Ben go do. For him fi travel with jewelry and have jewelry in a suitcase. For him have that round him neck or in him carry on luggage. And people, so it go. People make mistakes in life. And Skilly Ben feel like say them never ever go do that to him, but I be hungry belly people there at the airport and the wharf them boy, you know. And from them see a opportunity, them a go scrape and them a go take it. A man willing to lose him job for 100 grand US chain. Remember that. So as I say my people, Skilly Ben lucky if him get back that. Cause that brother they were scrape that and have that right now. Could have done no say him now go back and no work already. So my people, Skilly Ben, say them gone with him chain. So see, them viewers, part of life though. Some viewers, Toshi and Walker. a resident from Barbican, aka Tjay, stand up on him gate. And the killer them just pull up right on him gate for me and tell my people. And start fling 9 ball in a head and in a chest. You drop on him face. Everybody a wonder coulda what this now. Viewers, nobody no innocent boy we are drop, And that's the thing there, And most of them youth we are fall victim to this thing, Them involved in a this thing, Them mix up in a this thing, Them a parry the man them we a do this thing, So when you see man circle back for them now and left them flat pan them face, no surprise no in a this. You hear that Barbican was one of them little community. There was a nice little community. But as me always tell everywhere the youth them take it and turn it in a battlefield, boy, and say them a fight for road and lane and ends, boy, till see it, Tjay, latest victim for drop on fame face a Barbican, right in front time gate the man them go for him and go make him have it in a the wickedest way. So my people walk again, no? We are gonna be, but we see a youth by the name of Wrizla, squaddy them fling him down from out of the 13 gang, me I tell you no. People, youth them now live and learn. And most of them youth now have nothing to learn more than a 9 ball in a them head. Cause them now no change me I tell you no. So see it there. One more youth gone, from out of the 13th Street gang, And enough more to go. Some people, who don't see where Darl Voss a cause boy. After him run out and say your ride share and Uber forget ban. Now him a plan for what? Take away how much license from the taxi driver them. My people, see where this a cause here, boy.
This coming Monday morning, we'll be withdrawing our service to secure our driver's license. You understand me? Because the minister announced last night that they are about to suspend 20,000 driver's license. We cannot accept that. We survive off of our driver's license. So we want you all to join solidarity with us. Not only a taxi operator, bus driver, truck driver, bike rider, white plate, red plate, everybody. Okay?
So you see where Darl Voss cause? Taxi driver them no want them license get suspend or take away. So them a do this, me a tell you no more people. And who a go feel it? Now the regular citizens them will have to depend on public transportation. You think Darl Voss a go feel it? So my people, until next time. And tell me what you think about all of this will take place on the island in the comment section. See me?